Hi, my dear medicos. I'm Dr. Gaurav Tehri, your pathology faculty at NExT.
Myself, Dr. Sonu Pawar.
I am Dr. Siraj Ahmed, the faculty of Pharmacology, and I'm here to announce something exciting for all of you guys.
Alan is coming with this marvelous program that is AARAMBH for second Prof students.
We'll be taking up live classes online by the legendary faculties.
Dr. Sonu Pawar for Microbiology, Dr. Siraj Ahmed for Pharmacology, and me, Dr. Gaurav, for Pathology.
And in this, we'll be taking up various topics which are there as per your prof. Now you have system-wise and organism-wise both approaches. So we'll be taking up both of them in a very lucid manner and integrated fashion also.
These live classes will cover the 5-year university PYQs, the grand test, and the subject-wise test.
Remember, not only this, you're also going to have access to more than 2000 MCQs, so that along with this journey of prof examination preparation, you're also going to prepare your MCQ solving pattern, MCQ solving skills.
Besides this, we'll be having practical Viva questions also, so that I can tell you that this gram staining is done how, this particular ZN staining is done how, what's the role of Albert staining. All these particular aspects will be taken up by me.
AARAMBH is a roadside map which equips you not only for the university exams, but it will lay the foundation for the PG exams also.
So, right from your university exams, VIVAs, practicals, and university PG ka foundation, I will be there for you. So guys, every evening, 2 hours lectures will be having, live classes lenge. Along with that, you will have the recorded lectures, the workbook.
That will help you to become a great doctors.
When we are going to start, we will update about this one very soon to all of you guys. I'll see you all in class.
See you guys. Bye-bye.
Stay tuned with the NExT. Thank you.